The weather is so cold, so I think it's the perfect time to prepare some soup. So today we'll be making New England clam chowder. This recipe is so easy and quick that you'll have your meal in 30 minutes. First, you want to make sure that you have some bacon fat. You can substitute with butter, but it won't taste the same. You will need fat from 4 to 5 bacon. I'll post how to cook my bacon in the oven and save the fat in the future. This is how I like my clam chowder. If you like it more soupy or have more broth, you can add more clam juice and cream and add more flour to adjust the thickness. First, we want to peel our potatoes and cut into small cubes. I use Yukon Gold potatoes. You can use any potato you like. We need 1 cup diced potatoes. I put my cut up potatoes in water to prevent discoloration. Then we dice our onion. We need 1 cup diced or chopped onion. Dice about 2 stalks celery or 1 cup. Then we chop the garlic. We need 1 tablespoon. Heat up our pan and add 2 tablespoons butter and the fat from 4 to 5 bacon. Add the diced onion and celery and cook until the onion is almost softened. Then add 1 tablespoon garlic. Saute until everything is softened and you can smell the garlic. Add 4 tablespoons flour. We want to cook the flour like we are making a roux, but we do not want it to turn brown. So we use medium-low heat. Make sure to watch it as well. When the flour is cooked, add 2 bottles of clam juice, then add the diced potatoes. In this video, I'm adding leftover clam juice from my previous recipe because I only used 1 bottle. Add 1/4 teaspoon thyme, some white pepper, and cook until the potatoes are fork tender. Add 3 cans of chopped clam in clam juice. You can use fresh boiled clams if you like. Once it simmers slightly, add 1 cup heavy cream and stir. Simmer again lightly and your chowder is ready. If you like my video, you can help support my channel by clicking subscribe and don't forget to like the video. You can add any white wine if you like, but some people may like it the way it is, so I usually add wine separately. The measurement that I like is 1 tablespoon white wine to 1 cup of soup. This is how I like my chowder. If you want more broth, you can add more clam juice and heavy cream and adjust the flour this recipe called for. I suggest having 3 bottles of clam juice before making this recipe, as you may have to adjust here and there. Serve your clam chowder with a warm toasty baguette or sourdough bread or sourdough bowl. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay warm, and see you next time.